Hey everybody, it's Greg Sprunk. I'm the owner of Superior Cleaning Equipment with offices in Phoenix and San Diego. We are a dealership and service center for Orlando, Water Maze, JRI, Eagle, Karcher, CUDA in San Diego. And we are excited to show you our demo bay that we built here in our Phoenix office. I purchased an 18,000 square foot building about 4 years ago here on an acre and a half, and one of the things I've been wanting to do for a long time was finish this room so that we could kind of have a customer immersive experience, meaning someplace to come in and actually demonstrate equipment in a room that had the availability and the capability to do that. So that's what we did. We put in here some top load parts washers that we have. We've got a front load that's optioned up. So if you want to test wash parts, see how they come out with the hot water and the detergent. You notice that our little TL unit here has a standard stainless steel lid. We love this unit. Great for a lot of shops. Comes in 120 volt. We've got a PCS 3136 with filtration. We've optioned that up with some other features. This one's got the rollout turntable. Very heavy duty machine. We also usually have an F-Series in here, but this one's running and live, and you can drop some parts in, see how they come out, check your cycle times, and then we can also check different types of soaps and things like that that you like to use depending on your finish specs for parts washers. We also have a Landa MHC 4 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI portable gasoline hot water unit. We've got a Landa PHW portable electric hot water unit with a diesel burner as well. And then we've got our private label 4 gallon a minute, 7,000 PSI. We call it the PGC machine. And this unit is kind of new to our lineup. We've got all of these things in our rental fleet. We put it in this room where we've got a portable wash pad. We've got our wash water recycling system, SCE Bio. This is another unit. This is another system that we make. It's modular. We've got chemical treatment. We've got mechanical treatment down to 20 microns or 5 microns if you'd like. Our recycle module, bioremediation tank, solid settling, and then we've got ozonation at the end. So we've got a lot of things that we can do with your wash water that's generated by your pressure washer. So everything in here, you can run and look and see what's happening, the water coming in, the water going out. We've got some Landa cold waters, the water jet, some accessories. We've got rotating nozzles in here. We also sell Karcher, floor care equipment. We've got IPC Eagle, a walk behind scrubber, rider sweeper in here. So anything that you want to come in, check out, test out, and use, you can do. So, and we love this room. This has been something I wanted to do for probably the 26 years I've owned a cleaning equipment dealership. I thought it would be a blast to have a place for people to come in, have that experience of just playing with stuff, turning it on, and checking it out. Now, this isn't your normal experience, so we also have safety glasses, gloves. We've got, like I said, ice and water machine over here for our technicians in the field as well as our customers. But we think it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have demo days, open houses. We'll have catered, food trucks out there. We'll have different vertical markets come down and invite them, feed you, show you some of the equipment we have. Some of the manufacturers' reps will be here as well to answer questions along with our people. And we look forward to it just being a great experience. So you can see us on the web at www.sceclean.com. See us on our YouTube channel, like us on our Facebook page, and we appreciate the business and hope to see you soon. Thanks.